Okay, we got the transmission standing up. We got the low roller housing in place. We're going to take our hands, and it don't want to go down, of course. Maybe we're going about this backwards. I think we are. See? I think I got to pull that out. And turn the hat side up. Hat side up. I think that's what we got to do right there. Before we do that, I want to put a little assembly lube in there, just because I got assembly lube, I want to use it. Just on the gear section right through here, and a little bit on the outside right there. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of assembly glue on the inside of my gear. Just to help everything smooth out a little. Why not? Alright. So we found our big wide spot. This is the wide spot in the gears. And we set it down in there. The wide spot going in there at about am I doing it again? Yeah. I think I'm doing it again. Let me turn it back over again. No, I'm doing something wrong, ain't I? Alright, let's see. Push that in, however which way we go. Oh, okay. Pull your bearing upwards towards you. The hat downwards. And the wide spot in its way. It needs to be. The anti-clunk, you want to get it leaning against the case as you do this. Yeah, somewhere about there. And that doesn't seem to be working. So this thing's supposed to press down, and it's not pressing down. I can feel underneath there's about a finger's width. Let me check this thing again and make sure I'm putting it in the right direction. Comment in the comment section if you could tell I had been putting it in backwards or whatever, but for some reason it's not going in at this moment. I'm going to stop the video and redo it.